Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best fuel pump for cars and trucks. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 12V/24V for 1 kW to 5 kW air parking heater. Upgrade your truck's Webasto or Eberspacher heater with this ultra-low noise fuel pump. Designed for 12V/24V systems, it offers efficient heating from 1 kW to 5 kW and ensures quiet operation for enhanced comfort during long trips. The advantages of this air parking heater are low noise for quiet operation, suitable for a range of heater models, efficient fuel consumption. The disadvantages of this air parking heater are limited to certain truck models, may require professional installation. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Universal Micro-Electric Fuel Pump, 12V 42 GPH. This low-pressure micro-electric fuel pump is perfect for 12V systems, delivering 42 GPH with 2 to 3.5 psi. Its universal design fits most gasoline engines, making it a reliable choice for smooth fuel flow and efficient performance. The advantages of this fuel pump are low pressure, ideal for small engines, universal fit for multiple vehicle types, compact and efficient. The disadvantages of this fuel pump are may not suit high-performance engines, noisy and high-demand applications. At number 3. Suction Control Valve Fuel Pump Regulator, a 6860 VM098. Control fuel pressure precisely with this high-quality suction control valve, SCV. Compatible with Ford, Citroën, Mitsubishi, Mazda, and Nissan vehicles. Ensures smooth fuel delivery and optimal engine performance with this reliable SCV sensor. The advantages of this suction control valve are accurate fuel pressure regulation, compatible with multiple car brands, improves fuel efficiency. The disadvantages of this suction control valve are limited to specific engine types, may require professional calibration. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Car Brake Fluid Oil Extractor, Manual Oil Change Syringe. Simplify oil changes with this manual fluid extractor syringe, complete with a hose for easy fuel and brake fluid suction. Ideal for DIY maintenance, it offers a quick and effective solution for brake fluid and engine oil transfer. The advantages of this oil extractor are simple manual operation, large capacity for various fluids, easy to clean and store. The disadvantages of this oil extractor are limited to small-scale applications, requires manual force for operation.